Premiere has an inbuilt stabilising effect called Warp Stabiliser. First, trim down your clip to the section that you want to stabilise. The effect works best on sections of footage with consistent camera movement. In the Effects panel, go to Video Effects, Distort, Warp Stabiliser, or search for it in the search bar. Drag and drop the effect onto your clip, and Premiere will begin to analyse it for stabilisation. When finished, play back the clip and inspect. Most of the time, the clip will be vastly improved and usable in your edit. However, sometimes you may need to use a different method of stabilisation. Subspace Warp is the default option. However, on occasion, this can overly distort the clip. In the Method drop-down menu, there are 4 different options. And with these, it can often be trial and error to see which one works best for your specific clip. If you have a clip that was intended to be a static shot, but has some shake, perhaps as it was filmed handheld, then select the No Motion option in the stabilisation result, and this will alter the stabilisation effect so that the clip appears to be a static shot.